Hi, this is Jane with Green Side Up. Today we are going to talk about our 5 favorite shade perennials, the ones that you need to have in your garden. Are you ready? Number 1, Hellebore. Hellebore is definitely a shade-loving perennial. It blooms early in the spring, as in like February, March, maybe even earlier. It keeps its leaves all through the winter and all through the summer. Hellebore is an absolutely beautiful shade plant for your garden. The second plant that you need in your shade garden is a bleeding heart. Bleeding hearts definitely need the shade. Bleeding hearts are hardy even up to Minnesota. We could grow them there in the shade. Bleeding hearts will lose their leaves in the winter, but then they will pop back up in the spring. Bleeding heart is a fantastic, beautiful shade perennial. These plants for your shade garden are called Ajuga or bugleweed. Don't be afraid of that weed thing. They're not really weeds. So Ajugas come in different sizes, colors. You notice that this side, it's kind of more of a purple leaf. This one is a green leaf. All Ajugas will form a purple flower, which is on a little stem. Ajugas don't get very tall, so that's a great plant for your shade garden, kind of on the border there. And they're very hardy, even up in Minnesota. So, Ajuga comes in different varieties and beautiful for your shade garden. The fourth plant that we're going to talk about for the shade garden is the Solomon seal. That's what I have in my hand right here. Solomon seal is a variegated, tall arching plant. It will get flowers early in the spring. They kind of remind me of lily of the valley flowers, but it's not lily of the valley. As you see, it gives you a little height, so if you've got a shade garden and you need something that's just going to, be a little taller, Solomon seal would be an excellent plant for that. Our number 1 seller, but of course the 5th one on my list here, is Hostas. Oh my goodness, you have to have hostas in your shade garden. And hostas come in such a wide variety. There are the variegated ones. There are the ones that have more yellow to them. There are the very, very good growing ones, like this. There are the big leafed hostas, such as this one. And some hostas that are just going to be green. Hostas come in all sizes. They are, well, what can I say? They almost grow like weeds, but not quite. And they're better than weeds. Hostas in your shade garden are a must. Oh, and by the way, here at Green Side Up, we have been doing a really good job of stocking lots of hostas, so come on in and look and see what we have. I hope that you've learned something about shade gardening with your perennials. We've got lots of perennials here at Green Side Up. Or if you have questions, feel free to leave comments at the bottom of the video. Or come on in and we can talk to you about your shade garden. This is Jane with Green Side Up, wishing you a very happy day.